Before we get into this video, make sure you like and comment, subscribe, bro. I'm already knowing you're gonna like this video. Of course, you got no choice but to like this video. I'm helping you out, brother. Let's get into the video. Hey, bro, you really gotta start piping these women down, bro. You really have to start giving them good D. A lot of y'all dudes be playing with these women. A lot of y'all dudes don't be really piping your woman down or piping these women down. How do you expect a woman to keep coming back if you're not piping them down good enough? You know what I'm saying? Do you not understand how powerful having good D is? By you having good D, you can control these women. You can do whatever. You can tell a woman to do whatever and she's with it. She'll give you money. She'll buy you a car. You know what I'm saying? She'll do whatever you want her to do just by you having good D. Stop playing with your D. You need to be stroking her to sleep. If you're not stroking her to sleep, then you're playing with yourself. You fooling yourself if you think you finna keep this woman. Right? Yeah, having money, yeah, working on your attractiveness, yes, that's cool and all. But if your D trash, the woman's not going to stay with you long term. The reason why you sorry at women, the reason why you trash at getting women is because your D game is fucking trash. It's fucking garbage. You not piping her down good enough, right? You not lasting long enough. You busting in within 20 seconds of you sticking it in. Like, right? Like, guys, you need to be piping these women down, bro. Stop watching P, the corn. Stop watching that. Stop watching that, right? That's why you busting nuts so fast, because you watching shit like that, right? Stop watching that shit, right? Start talking to more women. Start putting yourself out there. Get good with getting women, bro. It's not hard. I promise you, it's not hard, right? The reason why your woman don't respect you is because your D game is trash. You not piping her good. You not piping her down good enough. Simple as that. The reason why you can only get one night stands is because your D game is trash. Simple as that. Whenever I pipe a girl down, best believe she's coming back for more. Best and believe she's coming back for more. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. You know what I'm saying? If I hit a girl on the first date, guess what? I'm gonna hit her on the second date, third date, fourth date. I'm gonna see her about 5 more times. She got no choice but to stay with me, bro. She got no choice but to tell her friends, bro. That's another thing too. A lot of y'all not put up on game. Like, just think about it. You piping your girl down. You piping her, you stroking her to sleep. You think she's not gonna tell her friends about you? You think she not finna tell her mama about you? You think she not finna tell whoever about you? You think they not gonna want you? You think the mama not gonna want you? Mama, oh my God, mama, this new dude I'm talking to, he just piped me down so bad. Oh my God, I like him and this and that third. Her mama gonna be fucking curious too. Her friends gonna be curious too. Her sister's going to be curious too. They gonna want to see what that D is hitting for. Simple as that, right? I'm not stroking these girls to sleep just for their pleasure. I mean, of course I'm doing that, but I'm not doing that just because of that. I'm doing that because I want her to tell the word about me. I want her to tell the whole word about me. That boy Dayron, hey, he popping me down. That's how I want it, guys. I don't give a fuck if the bitch, of course you're gonna love it, of course, because I'm gonna take her up through there, of course, right? But I'm not doing it for her. I'm doing it for her to tell her friends about me, her to tell the word about me. That's why I'm piping her down. That's why I'm stroking her to sleep. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing that because of that, right? Guys, when you piping these girls down, make sure they come and squirt all over the place. Make sure, come on, bro. Come on. How do you expect to keep the girl long term if you're not doing these things? If you want to take control over your girl, if you want to take control over that girl, you have to make her nut, bro. You have to make her squirt, bro. You have to understand, guys, most women are not squirting. Most women are not nutting, right? Off most dudes. So if she talk to you and you make her come, you make her squirt everywhere, she's going to keep coming back to you. She's going to always think about you. She's going to always chase you, bro. It's not, you're not going to have to jump through hoops. You're not going to have to take her out on multiple dates just to hit again. She gonna off rip, she gonna want to get hit again, right? Just by how you made her feel the other day, last week. You know what I'm saying? Just by how you stroked her to sleep, she's going to want to come back again for more. Stop playing with these women. You playing with these women too much, and that's why you're not getting the results you want, bro. Stop doing that. When you about to have sex with a girl, stroke her to sleep. I don't give a damn if you tired. I don't give a damn if you got a headache. If you about to have sex with this girl, stroke her to sleep. Right? If you don't feel like having sex with this girl, don't have sex with her. Don't. Right? Because you want her to keep coming back for more. You want her to always think about the sex that y'all had. Right? If you popping her down, you giving her weak sex, she like, damn, he attractive and all, damn, he got good money and all, but his sex game is trash, right? The last dude I've been with, his sex game was great. That's what she's going to think. That's why she cheated on you, bro. That's why she left you, bro. That's why she ghosted you, bro. Your D was trash. Yes, it was trash, bro. And a lot of guys don't be wanting to admit it. A lot of guys be thinking they D is good and this and that and the third, bro. If the bitch not coming back for more, bro, your D game is trash, bro. Simple as trash. If your girl is disrespecting you, if your girl not doing bare minimum shit, cooking for you, cleaning your house, cleaning whatever, bro, your D game is trash. Because best and believe, if you got good D game, she's willing to do whatever. She's willing to make sure it's food on the table every fucking night. She's willing to be super submissive to you. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to do too much. All you have to do is just pop her down good enough, right? Show her that you a fucking man. Show her your strength. You know what I'm saying? That's why it's imperative for y'all to get in the gym. That's why it's imperative for y'all to get strong, right? A lot of y'all dudes be walking around this motherfucker 130 pounds. Bro, you have to understand, most of these women is 180 plus. Most of these women is fat as hell now. I'm just keep it a buck. Most of these women is overweight now, right? So if you a dude that's 130 pounds, weak as shit, right? How is she going to feel your strength? Right? You need to be able to sling her across the room if you want to. You need to be able to pick her up, throw her on the floor, do all this extra. She need to feel your masculinity, bro. That's what women like. You know what I'm saying? That's what women like. When you having sex with her, right? That's what women like. Women like to feel like sluts. I'm just keeping 100 with y'all. Women like to feel like sluts. And if you're not making your girl feel like a slut, she's not going to stay with you long term. She's going to always think about Tyrone and Chad. Damn, Tyrone and Chad made me do this and that third. Damn, Tyrone and Chad, he picked me up. Damn, Tyrone and Chad, they threw me on the floor and did all this crazy ass shit. Damn, but this new dude I'm with, he can't even make me squirt. He can't even make me come down. He damn near can't even pick me up. He's struggling on picking me up. Come on, guys. You need to be working on your D game. You need to be working on your D game. If you want the bitch to stay long term, your D game got to be on point. You better not be giving these women trash ass D game. They're gonna look at you crazy. You ain't gonna never keep a woman. Never. And see, guys, back a couple of years ago, bro, I used to think like the first man wins. Whoever wins the race, hey, that's it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I used to think like that. But when I was thinking like that, I wasn't keeping girls long term because I wasn't giving a fuck about the girl. I wasn't trying to like stroke the girl to sleep. You know what I'm saying? I was just trying to get my rocks off and that was it, right? But when you having sex with a girl, bro, you have to get her rocks off too. You have to make her, bro, this shit, bro, you fucking her, that should be the best day of her fucking life. That's how she should fucking feel every time y'all have sex. Yes, right? Stop playing with these women. Stop playing with these women. And these women won't play with you. I don't really get disrespected from women. Of course, women shit test me here and there, but for the most part, I don't really get a lot of shit tests from women. I don't get a lot of disrespect from women, right? Especially the girls I sleep with. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm piping them down. I'm stroking them to sleep. When I mean stroking them to sleep, after I'm pounding them to Pound Town, couple of 30 minutes later, an hour later, 2 hours later, they knock the fuck out. Gone. You know what I'm saying? All that screaming and hollering, they got no more energy left. They sleep. They gone. Right? That's because I'm piping them down. That's because I'm stroking them to sleep. You know what I'm saying? Like, guys, stop playing with yourself, bro. Stop playing with your time. Stop playing with your talent, bro. Your D is powerful, bro. Use it to your advantage. You can break these women. You can get whatever you want out of these women if you just have good D game. Simple as that. Why you think they keep chasing Tyrone and Chad? Why you think they keep chasing the assholes? Why you think they keep chasing the bad boys? Why you think they keep chasing the men that's not good for them? Because they got good D game. You know what I'm saying? A lot of women would take bullshit from men just because his D game good. You know what I'm saying, bro? You can get away with a lot of stuff if you just have good D game, right? And of course, you need more things. You need to make sure you working on yourself every damn day, improving on yourself every damn day, getting your fucking money up, right? Getting good with women, talking to women, right? As well as getting good D game. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all dudes doing all this self-improvement and shit, but y'all not self-improving on your D game, on your stroke game. You need to be self-improving on that too. Bro, you need to be self-improving on fucking everything, not just one thing. Everything. Your stroke game, your D game, you need to be improving on that. Improving, bro. Improving. How do you improve? By talking to a lot of women, sleeping with, I ain't saying you gotta sleep with the whole town, but sleep with a good handful of women, right? Knowing their bodies, knowing what operates, cause bro, most of these women is damn near the fucking same. I'm keeping the butt with you. Right? Yeah, some women, they a tad bit different, but for the most part, they are damn near the same, bro. Right? So what works for that woman will probably work for the next woman, and the next woman after her, and the next woman after her. You know what I'm saying? Right? So, bro, you need to be working on your stroke game. That's how you work on it. By talking to a lot of women, by putting yourself out there. You know what I'm saying? By exercising. A lot of y'all dudes can't get y'all D up because you not exercising. You fat as hell. You got no testosterone. You know what I'm saying? A lot of dudes, y'all can't get y'all D up because you beat your meat all day. 5 times, 10 times a day. Like, of course your shit not gonna get up, bro. Of course it's not gonna get up, right? You improve your D game by exercising. You improve your D game by walking, running. You know what I'm saying? Doing some hard shit. Get your testosterone levels high, bro. Start eating healthy foods. Of course your D game, of course you busting in 2 seconds, 20 seconds. You know what I'm saying? Of course you can't get your D up because you eating terrible ass foods. You watching X videos all damn day. You beating your shit 20 times a day. Of course you can't get your shit up, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yes, women like a man with money. Yes, women like a man that's attractive. Yes, women like a man with all these different things, bro. But if your D game is trash, bro, she ain't gonna take you fucking seriously. Y'all need to be putting in the D game. Y'all need to be working on y'all D game as fast as possible. That should be a priority of y'all's. If you're gonna do self-improvement, you need to do self-improvement all the fucking way. Work on fucking everything, not just one thing, everything. Baby, I can do it all. I'm good at everything. I'm good at everything. Yes, I got money. Yes, I'm strong. Yes, I'm attractive. Yes, I can put that shit on. Yes, I can stroke you to sleep. Yes, I can make you squirt all over the place. Yes, I know how to talk that shit in your ear. Yes, I know how to do that too. Yes, I'm charismatic. Yes, I know how to do that too. Yes, I can be funny. I can do that too. You know what I'm saying, baby? I got everything. You got no choice but to stay with me. And that's why you're going to stay with me, because I have everything, right? Guys, make sure you work on yourself.